Hello students, Standard 7th, Chapter 8, Comparing Quantities. We learn how to find the percentage out of fractions and decimal fractions, and also we learn how to convert percent to how many, and at last we learn that if percentage of some amount is given and how to find that original amount. So let us start exercise 8.2. Question number 1. It says convert the given fractional numbers to percents. Fractional numbers to percents. So different fractional numbers are given. We have to convert them into fractions. First one is 1 upon 8. Now we know that I show you the easiest way, that multiply it with 100 and put percent. And then if there is simplification, you can do the simplify and write down the final answer. If it is in the improper fraction percentage, you can convert it into mixed number. So now we know that 1 upon 8 is 1 upon 8 multiplied by 100%. That is equal to, now we know that 25 4 is 100, 2 4 is 8. So 25 upon 2, that is, if you convert it into the mixed fraction, 2 2s are 4. So 12 integer 1 by 2%. So 12 integer 1 by 2%. So it is very, very simple. Second one, 5 upon 4. So it is equal to 5 upon 4 into 100%. That is, you can cancel a direct also. 25 4 is 100. So 25 5 is 125%. Because we know that when it is an improper fraction, the percent related to them are always more than 100%. So here it was proper fraction, so it is less than 100. But when it is improper fraction, the percentage will be more than 100. C. 3 upon 40. So 3 upon 40 into 100%. 1 0 will be cancelled. 2 2s are 5 2s are. So 15 upon 2. And we know that 15's half is 7 and half. So 7 integer 1 upon 2%. And the last D. Indeed it is 2 upon 7. So it is equal to 2 upon 7 into 100%. Here there is no cancellation. So 200 upon 7%. Now improper fraction. So we will divide it to get mixed fraction. 7 2s are 14. 7 8s are 56. So 28 integer 4 upon 7. Answer is 28 integer 4/7%. Let's do the question number 2, in which it is given that convert the decimal fractions to percents. Question 2. Convert the decimal fraction to percent. It is also same, but first from the decimal fraction you can convert it into normal fraction and then multiply by 100%. Same thing. So let us do first one. 0.65. You know that 0.65, if you take out the point, then you have to write down here 2 decimals, so 100 multiplied by 100%. Now 100 can be cancelled, so your answer is 65%. Very simple. 2.1 can be written as 21/10, and then percentage means multiplied by 100%. Zeros cancelled, so 21 tens are 210%. Next is 0.02. Now 0.02 here, if you take out the decimal, it is 2, and after decimal point there are 2 digits, so we will write down 100 in the denominator. 2/100 into 100%. Zeros are cancelled, so 2%. So 0.02 is 2%. And then the last D is here. 12.35%. 35. So 1235 is 1235 upon also 100 into 100%. So very simple. It is 1235%. So to convert the fractional to percent or the decimal fractions to percent is very easy, like this. Now question number 3. Here the figures are given in which some parts are colored. So estimate what part of the figures is colored and hence find the percent which is colored. So here you can see that if you extend that one, then you know that there are 4 parts are done. So out of 4, 1 part is colored. So here 1 out of 4 parts is colored, which is 1/4. So now we have to convert it into percent. So 1/4 is equal to 1/4 multiplied by 100%. And 25 fours are 100. So that is 25%. So also we know that if you make 4 parts of 100, each is 25. So 25% is colored. In second one you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts here, and from 5, 3 parts are colored. Here 3 part, 3 out of 5 parts is colored, which is 3 upon 5. So now 3 upon 5 multiplied by 100%. Now if you cancel it, 25 is 100 and 23 is 60. So your answer is 60%. In last you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 parts are there. And out of 8, 3 are colored. So here 3 out of 8 parts are colored. Therefore, or you can say that which is 3 upon 8. So 3 upon 8 multiplied by 100%. So now 4 2s are 25 4s are 25 3s are 75 upon 2. That we can convert it into mixed fraction. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So 37 integer 1 upon 2%. Now let's do the next question, number 4. Now in question number 4, what is it? We have to find whatever they asked. First one is 15% of 250. 15% of 250. Now we know that when percentage given and of is there, percent is 15 upon 100, of means multiplied by 250. Now here very simple, zeros are cancelled, so you have to multiply 15 into 25. So that is 375. Second one is 1% of 1 hour. Now here 1% of 1 hour. But here we have to find it in minutes. So what is the conversion from hour to minute? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So that we will find 1% of 60 minutes. So that is 1 upon 100 multiplied by 60. Because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So now cancellation, 3 2s and 5 2s. So that is 3 upon 5%. C. 20% of rupees 2,500. Here no need to convert it into paise because it is big amount. Here it was only 1 hour. Therefore we actually did not. So 3 upon 5 minutes. Now 20% means 20 upon 100 multiplied by 2,500. Cancellation there. 25 2s are 50, so rupees 500 is the answer. %75 of 1 kilogram. So that is 75 upon 100. You can write down here 1 kilogram as 1000 gram. So here cancellation. 75 times is 750 gram. So when percentage and of are given, we have to write down like the upon 100. Here we make a mistake, 15 upon 100 into 250. So only one is getting cancelled, and then 5 2s are 5 5s are is equal to 75 upon 2 or 37 integer 1 by 2. So here when the percentage of some amount is given, we have to write down 100 in the denominator and multiply by that amount and simplify it. So after simplification, easily we will get the answer. And if like 1 kilogram 1 hour is there, you have to convert it into the smaller quantity, smaller unit, then you will get the perfect answer like this. So here we are going to finish the session, which will be followed by PDF, and if any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.